Alright, so we're getting ready to cut our headers. I did one already. So we're cutting off the flanges so we can put on V-bands. I think it's going to make a good addition to the headers. And we get away from these piece of crap so some of you might be saying I'm crazy, but I know I am. So I don't think it's gonna make a difference. Let's see how we're gonna get this one. I'm gonna cut this side here. I am cutting 308 steel, 308 stainless. So, not too easy to cut. Here we go. Get rid of those flanges. Now what we'll do is we'll take our deburring tool and we'll deburr. Now what we're going to be able to do is take our V-bands. Boom. Perfect. And that's what we'll end up with. Nice V-bands connections. I think it's going to be cool as shit. Alright. Hey guys, we just picked up our headers from the welder. I had the flanges welded on. These things came out freaking killer. Look at the V-bands now. Look at some of that weld. Look at that weld. This guy did a killer job. I want to thank Kenville Welding here in New Jersey, or Ledgewood, New Jersey. I want to thank Gary and all the guys out over there, because he's the one that welded on my V-bands, and they did a freaking killer job. They came out really nice. Love the way it looks. I can't wait to put these on. So check them out. So this is what they'll look like after they're all assembled. It's gonna look so cool. A lot more modern, a lot more. It's actually a stronger. I believe they're a stronger exhaust connection. No slipping pipes over pipes. It's gonna look real cool. We're gonna do the whole exhaust in V-band. So stay tuned. We're coming along. So this is Henry from Ace Custom Cars. Thanks for your support. And if you like my content, smash that subscribe button. Send me a message. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Peace.